pneumatic grease gun. This equipment plants 25 acres per hour. Just about 300 gallons of diesel go into each tractor. It's a perfect time to take a quick break. Linda keeps us all fed, hydrated, and smiling. She brings these field meals to the team at least 3 trips per day. Okay, time to get back to work. Just under 6 miles per hour is the optimum speed to plant corn seed with this planter. After a long, successful day of planting, it's time to dream of bountiful crops, full bins, healthy commodity prices from our buyers.